So hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Eric Haircut Professional. Today we're going to be learning something ultimate layer, round layer haircut, and this time we just pick with each and every guidelines comes, hair comes, and the hairlines comes. So many things. Length she don't want to be reduced much, and top of that she wants something bouncier layers. And open hair need something like visible, very clean and neat. So that's the regard I can just fringe part is separated and the crown portions a little bit of the bigger box section, which is horseshoe section, we got separated. And rest of this ear to ear we're going to be separating to the sections, and this is going to be one of the bottom layer haircut concept. And the previous video was also it will be in same, but that haircut was little bit longer and straightened hair also, and help up through the comb balls and explaining you all of you about these techniques are how it will be going to be elevating. So it's pretty much simple to understand the haircut and very easy to be learn this haircut. And first I start one length basic, small inches I'm just going to be cut on it. So now we started one length basic haircut. Now we just pick with center of the profile and just rest of the head length basic haircut. After this we can just start like complete elevating. I will just pick for center profile, exactly pick from 120 degree, and the bottom length will be remain as a performing like a guideline, and rest of the hair top of that I'm creating to the layers. So that's simple to understand the haircut. The bottom length it will be become primary guidelines for complete after the entire haircut, which can be easily and carry forward, and traveling guidelines which complete up the haircuts. And round layers is basically it's neat, it's never going to be collapse on the bottoms. Top of that it is going to be create multiple layers, and which can be visible bouncier and cleaner, and movement also it will become volumetric, and lot more things we can just see after the haircut. So thin section I'm just taking, and stationary guideline picking up, and vertical I'm just carrying forward each and every hair strands with same. I finish one side, I come to another side and just plan taking with same like stationary guideline, the rest of the hair and just carry forward with elevating with all the hairs. After that I'm cross checking. Now I come to the side portion and release with just giving the one length basic haircut before start the layers. Now I come to another side. I pick from stationary guideline from back and rest of the edges converting in layers. Now I'm just going to release with crown pose center big horseshoe section. And I'll take from exactly guideline from center of the crown. Now you can just see, and before cut the hair I'm just going to share you guys. That is the guideline which I took. Create the layers exactly 90 degree. Now I come to another side. It's almost going to be finished the top portion. It's done complete after the exactly crown layers. Now I come to the fringe portion. Before that I'm just strands and releasing down and just taking as guide, and after and that here I'm just picking as a guideline and rest are there, converting in that fringe layers. And after that I'm just this side and that side over directing. I'm just cross checking with complete of the rest of the curveness. And after that I'm dropped it. This is my final look after just messy layers completely. Hope you all understand the video and how just we elevated up complete of the haircuts. And after that dry hair I'm just showing you the before styling. Just going to do styling on top of that. And before that I'm showing with messy hair after the layers. Now started from the back. So always I'm just keeping like consistent switch towards the styling part with splitting out and ultimate layers coming out. For these techniques I'm always using for only spiral blow dry. Why? Because the medium hair and top of that wavy texture, it will be really suitable for these styling of techniques. So that's the reason I'm just using like a spiral blow dry which can be released out after the spirals. Then top of that, after finishing that, and when I just release out all the curls, it will be every hair it will flip out and comes out very neat and clean. It's no need to do top of that any tongs and ironing curls. So also it looks clean and neat and bouncier look. Now I come to side portion. Now come to another side portion. I come to crown portion. Its last final fringe section it is going to finish, and after that I'm winding up complete of the styling part. I'm just going to release and pretty much excited to have a look complete after the haircut and styling after the blow dry. And also of course it will be after transformation, it looks clean and neat, ultimate good things come. So now you can just see the after look. It's come flexibly out looks, and layers are visible very clean and neat, and bounciness is carrying and volume things you can just see complete of the body of the hair. That is called techniques after the bouncy layers, and that will be add lot of volume after the blow dry technique which we use with a spiral blow dry. It's completely made after the look neat and clean. Now we just completely you can just see you have it something like top to bottom very good and neat layers, and finishing also to visible very neat and clean. Now you can just see the front base, it will how clean was visible and complete up to the texture. That you can just see the bounciness on the hair and lot of volume on the face. It will become completely, it will covered up with like round layers, and it will be more out with ultimately with shag kind of layers and all. So hope you all understand, and also you enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button, and of course to ask to deserve this video to hit the like, minimum 500 likes I'm expecting on this video. And if you have any questions and queries, please let me know comments below. Definitely I'm waiting for those eagerly for seeing your comments. And please let me know if I want to be any haircut techniques need to be improved. I'll put on forward for sure next videos. So this is a after haircut is completely styling makeover look, and top of that I'm just going to add texture now after the haircut. So without the texture we can't finish after any haircuts after finish, and that can be visible very flexible, and each and every strands I pick with exactly with a 120, adding the texture over all the hair bottoms before going to be conclude the crown portion. So hope you all are understand and also enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts and questions, please let me know in the comments below. That easy to do a round layer haircut to be any kind of texture, especially I recommend healthy and little bit of wavy hair texture to be very good actually. For length will basis, if I tell you medium shoulder to be shoulder length, below shoulder hair could be easily recommendable. And who wants to be keep their open hair and they want to be keep look always updated in this ambience is pretty good even without styling also. This is ultimately recommendable haircut. And this is my final look, and thank you so much for waiting for a long time to be eagerly watching complete of video. And really thank you so much for this. Keep supporting on me with upcoming latest videos and all. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until take care and be safe.